In late August, a healthy 41-year-old New Hampshire man died after contracting EEE. Of course, this disease very serious, transmitted by infected mosquitoes. It can cause brain damage and, of course, death.
And it might surprise you to learn there is an effective vaccine for EEE, but it's not approved for use in humans, only horses. So in this morning's Question Everything, I dive deeper into why.
Massachusetts health officials are announcing the first human case of EEE in 4 years.
Later today, the state is going to begin spraying for mosquitoes.
The town of Plymouth just announced it will be shutting down all public parks and fields from dusk until dawn.
The first human case of EEE in Massachusetts this summer.
Every year, as soon as the school buses start rolling, so do the warnings about the dangers of EEE.
Eastern equine encephalitis, as the name suggests, causes a swelling of the brain. It is probably the fastest moving and most devastating of what we call vector-transmitted infections, things transmitted by mosquitoes and ticks and fleas and things like that.
Sam Telford is a Tufts University professor of infectious disease and global health and the director of Tufts New England Regional Biosafety Lab.
I consider Eastern equine encephalitis to be the worst mosquito-transmitted infection in all of the world.
He says we've been lucky so far this fall with temperatures under 60 that made mosquito activity very low, but still, there have been 4 human cases in Massachusetts, as well as deaths in New Hampshire and New York State. It is rare, but you start to feel like you've got to spray deep and layer up like this with long sleeves and pants just for a walk outside. But did you know there is a EEE vaccine for horses? You can walk right into a Tractor Supply or go on a site like Chewy.com and buy it for a horse for about $10. But did you also know there is a EEE vaccine for humans developed by the U.S. military? It's just never been approved for public use. The question is, why can't we get a vaccine to the public?
It's too expensive to do the research and development and the clinical trial process to accumulate the data required by FDA.
Now, the FDA makes sure our vaccines and drugs are safe and effective, and the process is complex and expensive for that reason. The EEE vaccine isn't new. In the mid-50s, the U.S. military was aware that the Soviet Union could potentially create a bioweapon.
Let's stay on, comrade. You don't have it, I don't have it.
That's correct, Mr. Bond. And that was the goal during the Cold War period. But fast forward to today, and priorities have changed. And Professor Telford points out the explosion of scientific innovation during the COVID pandemic is going to open up all kinds of avenues for experimentation and vaccine production. One possible solution to work around the expensive development could be wrapping the EEE vaccine in with a West Nile virus or Lyme disease vaccine that he's worked on and anticipates will roll out in 2026.
That this would be one way to avoid this return on investment problem, is to just fold in a rare disease target along with something that's much more economically viable.
And hopefully that could lead us to a new definition of EEE: easy, efficient, and effective. Isn't that fascinating?
Amazing.
So, Professor Telford himself has taken the vaccine as a graduate student because he was in a lab working on EEE.
Okay.
But he said it would be very expensive. People would have to travel to Fort Detrick in Maryland at their own expense to appeal to the military for it. So hopefully that will be a solution to wrap it in so that you get several vaccines at once. And that would cost the cost for a pharmaceutical company to explore getting it approved.
I think when the pandemic happened, there was so much, right? We had this Operation Warp Speed that made it so contracted.
Yeah.
But this process, as you just highlighted,
it's a whole new
ballgame.
ballgame.
It's lengthy and it's expensive. Yeah. Awesome report.